What's wrong? Are you mad? Are you mad you're going to bed? Yeah, you don't want to go to bed, do you? Oh, Allie, you're going to hurt your head. Say good night. Say good night. Yeah, well say good night. This is what I have to put up with every night. This right here. What are you doing? What? Is it time for bed? Do you need to go to sleep? Oh, you quit it. You're so cute, you know that? Look at your little bed head. Oh, Allie, it's time to go to bed, baby. Say love you. Say love you. Good night.